everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today is December 1st, which means for a lot of YouTubers, it is the start of Vlogmas. I've done Vlogmas in the past on my vlog channel, which is essentially no longer existent. All those videos are on private and I don't think I've touched that channel in about a year. And I gave it a lot of thinking and my life really isn't that interesting, so I will not be participating in the classical Vlogmas everyone thinks of where you upload every day. Instead, I will be doing my own version of Vlogmas. It's basically just going to be a little mini series of holiday related videos in a bit of a vlog style. So from now up until Christmas, I will be uploading a Vlogmas related video every Sunday, and I also may throw in a bonus vlog type video here and there, and they may not even be full vlogs, to be honest. I plan on doing one of building a gingerbread house. I am in the process of doing a really fun cat one, which will be up next Sunday, so be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. And I have a few other plans, but since my life isn't interesting, there really isn't much for me to vlog every day, and it would be kind of pointless for me to participate, and I figured that doing this little mini series would at least give you some sort of vlog type video and something that's different from my normal content. And I figured that since it is the first of the month, I would come on here and make this announcement. I really hope you guys are excited about it. If you guys have other ideas, leave them down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you are excited for this little mini series. I know that I am. December is definitely an exciting month. For those of you who don't know, my birthday is coming up. My birthday is on December 20th, and I will be turning 25 this year, which is crazy. And then next month is also exciting because on January 23rd, I will have been doing YouTube for 7 years. But I wanted to come on here and make this announcement. I will also be having my normal upload videos. If you guys haven't noticed, I've been uploading on Mondays and Thursdays recently. I may change the Monday to be maybe Tuesday. That way you get a video Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. Or if you guys are fine with seeing videos 2 days in a row and me doing Sunday, Monday, Thursday, let me know down below, because I will definitely take you guys' opinions into consideration. Be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell. That way you are notified if I do upload sporadically. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!